cross. Lams goes back to Bella. Why not?
Belen with so much variation earlier with a very sharp cross-court hit, and now she...
Joust at the net. Sa kabila pupuntang Letran, but that time
from her spikes to her blocks.
coming on late. Oh,
Beautiful service ace, just hitting that line.
and the last 5 points, towing.
The Belen and the others would be such I would say a
Ball.
gonna see a play. Belen going for the 2 and
Point. And able to avoid the blocker.
up and living up to her name. Talagang puro tapang. Talagang makikita mo.
Slow start, pero ngayon, finding her groove.
Bella Belen is one of the seniors of
Lamps to Bella. Time.
efficiency. You know that she's gonna get a kill off of her hits.
Lang, Nitura is also back for Letran. Bella with her 11. Gia off speed.
Great save from NU.
Bella with a tap. Smart, good save from IC.
This is what I'm saying, that it's hard to... Now a chance for NU.
Here she is. Oh, Bella Belen.
The one who got that first ball, and she kills it off of that swing.
That Smart power play of the set brought to you by Smart. 7. Pump set papunta kay Bella. And
I would say 15 easy points also, because like I said,
Martin sets it up.
great defense coming off of both squads. Belen!
It's been an unstoppable force for National U.
Full force. It is for Bella Belen. Look at that service ace.
Got here, Teen Ubaldo. This set is brought to you by Shaky Super Delivery. Order your favorite
health issue as they are present in the sidelines at the stadium today, ready to support their fellow Lady Bulldogs.
Wipeout attack, from Bella Belen. Well, hindi na siya nakabuelo in that attempt. And just
Lams. Paano niya ifo-full yung blockers? Bella Belen.
1.
Perfect first ball coming from Hardyo.
Sa depensa for that Bella Belen attack, but unfortunately for them, and of course, fortunately for Bella Belen.
Another steady serve. Belen with that drop.
And the defense of FEU, and it seems like pag itong si Bella Belen.
The first ball. Strong serve, combination play.
Bella, that combination play. Nabasa na nung blockers ng FEU but
to Devosora from the back row. Andun si Belen.
Ooh. And Bella Belen, the smart player that she is, opted for that stem.
Mono chooses Bombita. She was blocked. They go to Belen. Instant
rally of FEU with that pipe attack.
Number 1, sila nagsistruggle sa first ball. Ngayon, NU na yon. They go to Belen. To Tagaod. Lams to Bella. Look at that stare. Look at that confidence.
Oh, wow. Bella Belen. Just power.
Net dito ng NU.
What a defense from both teams.
And they go to Bella.
No one anticipated that on the side of FEU. It seemed like, a free spike for...
See here in action, itong si Icy Cepada. Lamina. To Belen. Baldo. To Devosora. Pangilinan was there. Lamina to Belen. And that Smart power play of the set was presented by Smart. Live more today. To Bella. Coverage was there for FEU. Underhand set. They go to Tagaod. Tagaod.
Exactly, and this is what I love to see about, between these two girls, the healthy competition going on. Front row, this is going to be deadly.
Combination play. Set. And that connection between Lamina as well as Belen paying off here in set number 3. So National University. To Jean.
That commit block from Bella Belen.
Mangan dito ng Lady Tamaraws. Belen from the back row.
But also a good setup job from Lams Lamina to go for that pipe attack. No room for complacency if you're FEU. Now that, ayan, NU.
As Belen, pinabawi dito ni Lamina. Gana, here in the 5th set. And Belen with a
Chance for
chooses Tagaod here. And they go to Belen. Lams to Bella with a cross.
Middle blocker and Jean Assis of FEU is to attempt to block the open.
Bella sends it to Polo.
First ball, Tagaod. Bonus points agad
Yes.
ang binigay nila doon for NU. One hand set.
That set was also too close to the net. But also if indeed
Tagaod hammering it through. Tagaod hammering it through.
Coach Norman admits that this lineup isn't their most solid line.
Baldo will create and will go to Tagaod. Baldo will create and will go to Tagaod. Betalio, Bella Belen. And Gaira, this is very interesting because ito nga, first time maghaharap itong NU.
Our tip from your UAAP MVP.
And a right hitter, you could use that high to block yung opposite ng kabila. Tagaod. Still alive! Bella Belen! And dito talaga matitest. And of course, yung dig dito, good recovery and good point here for NU. A play but not successful. Bella Belen. Let's see. But Bella is asking for if he will handle that serve. Good reception. Jean Assis. Denied it.
Off of the hands of Bella Belen.
Pangilinan.
Great coverage by
Yeah.
Hardyo.
Belen from the opposite. That is so smart. Chini Tagaod.
Great save.
Obaldo. Oh. Bella Belen. Wow. Gaira will a little bit of swag on that power tip.
And you Lady Bulldogs queen.
Power tip. Set because everything's really equal here for NU and FEU. Bella Belen again.
Bella
Really mastering here yung wrist niya. Good angle from Bella Belen, Gaira.
The wrist action is on point and change.
You di magpapatalo. But let's see. Bella Belen on combination and that is good. Digit performance here. She'll be Bella Belen. Oh, good read. Oh. Obaldo. Tagaod off speed. Lamina de Belen. Hardyo.
What a save from Hardyo. Great blocking for FEU.
Bella Belen.
Level of volleyball.
Yes. A glimpse of the feel as if that she's a middle blocker and a setter. Obaldo serving. Panique. Bella Belen will try.
Through that hit.
You can see picture perfect strong attack here there coming from Bella Belen. Tagaod sa likod. Hard you will set. Bella Belen. And Bella Belen. An easy ball here for NU. Lamina will try. Combination. Bella Belen.
Taas lang sa atin, girls. Kaya kailangan natin itong trabahuhin at mag-fifth set tayo. So let's see if these girls from Sampaloc can also extend this matchup to a fifth.
See if Obaldo. Tagaud now. But Ara Panique. Bella Belen will try to score a point. And that is good. And to relax for both squads. Good serve. That will be an easy ball here for NU. Let's see what will be the play for Lamina. Bella Belen.
That down. Look at that hammer.
Yeah. And you can expect Bella Belen, to be extra mo. That is not good. Still playable. Bella Belen. Gaod. Bella Belen. Let's see. Bella Belen. Dalabong sampa. That smart power play of the set was presented by Smart. Live more today.
Grabe kasi yung pag-slide niya eh. Bella Belen!
Para matumbasan niya yung puntos na ginawa niya yesterday. Petalio, good hit there, but Lamina and Bella Belen.
Two of the players in the NU squad at 20 plus points.
Still very good on the reception. Bella Belen. That will be good. Lams chooses Bella, and it's good. If you need a point, just dial number 4, and Bella Belen will score.
From the National University Lady Bulldogs, number 4, Micaela Belen. Joining us to present the Most Valuable Player Award, our PSC